Hello friends, today we will see the first practical of our digital electronics, that is to study basic logic gates and verify its truth table. Okay, in theory lecture we have seen that which are the basic logic gates and we have seen the truth tables of that. Now in practically we can see the actual output and input of the logic gates. Now for this experiment we require the apparatus as IC7404. This 7404 IC is nothing but a IC for the NOT gate. This NOT gate also called as the inverter. Then also we require IC7408. IC7408, it is the IC number for the AND gate. AND gate which is used for the multiplication in the digital. And next one, it is a IC7432. This IC7432, it is the IC number for the OR gate. OR gate we have used for the addition purpose. Okay, as well as we require power supply of plus 5 volt and connecting wires. Okay, for this we are having the some theory for the NOT gate. As we recall the symbol for the NOT gate, it is like that. In the figure shows this NOT gate having a one bubble in front of the buffer. That's why it looks like a NOT gate. This is a one input NOT gate. We are having the single input, single output NOT gate. When we apply the 1, at that time that 1 of the input is inverted back at the output. That means when we apply here 1, at the output we get a 0, and this is the truth table for the NOT gate. As our input is 1, when we apply 1, output we get 0, and when we apply a 0, at that time output we get a 1. That is the NOT gate. Now here in this is our digital IC trainer. This kit, it is a digital IC trainer kit. In this IC trainer kit we are having the different types of the logic gates, universal gates, and some other gates or some other functions or flip-flops from the digital. Now we will see, as we have seen in theory as NOT gate, this NOT gate we have shown in the digital IC trainer. It is having the symbol NOT gate, and the IC number for this, it is a IC7404. These numbers, these are the this is the IC7404. Here at the top of IC, we can see the IC number for this IC7404, and these are this IC, it is having the total 14 pins. 14 pins. Pin number 1 starts from this left side up to the 7. Now pin number 8 starts from the other side and which ends up to the pin number 14. This is the 14 pin IC. In one IC we can implement or we can use how many gates? As 6 gates are completed in the one IC. Here input A1, it is a input. From this pin number 1 we can take the input, and pin number 2, that is a Y1, it is a output. Okay, now we will directly see the connection for this. As we can connect the pin number 1 to the input. This side, these are the input connections and these are the output connections, and here we must connect the power supply of plus 5 volt and ground. Here there is a ground. This is the ground connection which is connected to the ground here, and another plus 5 volt. This is the plus 5 volt of this IC. We have to connect it to the here plus 5 volt. Okay, now we can on the switch. We have to on this power supply of switch also. Indication of switch is on. It like now we have connected here input and output from the pin number 2. From pin number 2 we can take the output and we can see the output at the output side in this way. Now this is the input. From this blue connection, it is a input bit. From this we can give either 0 or 1. When it is upward, it is a 0. We are giving the 0 input. At that time here output is a 1. LED is glowing. Here LED is glowing. When we apply a 0, LED is glowing means 1. And when we apply a 1, see in the direction, when we apply 1, at that time this LED is a off. That means it is a 0. Inverted म्हणजेच जेव्हा आपण 0 देतो, 0 सप्लाय देतो त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला आउटपुट +5 व्होल्ट मिळतं आणि जेव्हा आपण +5 व्होल्ट देतो त्यावेळेस आपल्याला 0 मिळतं. दॅट इज नथिंग बट अ function of the NOT gate. It is a inverted. That is regarding the NOT gate. Okay, now the next gate, it is a AND gate. This AND gate, we are having the two inputs, input A and B. For multiplication, after multiplication, here we get the output 0 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0 and 1 into 1 1.